Hey guys, you are watching Biosaga, so let's begin. Now we will learn about cells in details. In the previous video, we have covered the definition of cell and the history of cell. Today, we will be covering the following points: cell division, detailed study about the two types of cells, which are animal cell and plant cell. Both are eukaryotic. Detailed study about nucleus. Nucleus is a cell organelle. It is also known as the brain of the cell. So as always, we will have facts for you at the end of the video, and we will learn about the definition of cell organelles. Now, while hearing cell division, the first question which comes to our mind is, what is cell division? So, let's see. Cell division is defined as the process in which a parent cell divides into two daughter cells. So, cell division is basically the theory which states that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. In this diagram, we can see one cell is dividing and then subdividing into four different cells. Now, we will see the diagrammatic explanation or detailed study about plant cell. And without any further delay, let us start. So, the outer greenish part of the cell is known as the cell wall, which protects the plant cell from outer environment. The cell membrane is the inner part of the plant cell, and cytoplasm is the site where the cell organelles are present. The yellow part is the Golgi bodies, and the huge blue part which stores food and water is the vacuole. The green colored part is the chloroplast, which is used in photosynthesis. The pink part is the mitochondria, which is also known as the powerhouse of the cell, and the reason will be studied in the next video. The ribosome is used for protein synthesis, which is the yellow part, and the nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. And now the animal cell. The purple part is known as the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. The black border is the cell membrane. Yellow part is the cytoplasm. The orange part is the Golgi body. The red part is the nucleus, which is the brain of the cell. Rough ER or endoplasmic reticulum. It is said to be rough ER because it has ribosomes on it. Lysosome is known as the suicide bag of the cell. Smooth ER, it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, where there are no ribosomes attached to it. This is the microtubules, the green like structure, and the pink small structures are the ribosome, which is used for protein synthesis. Centrioles, they assist in cell division, and pineocytic vesicle. Now, let us move on to the detailed structure of the nucleus. First, let us know what is nucleus. Nucleus is known as the brain of the cell, and the purple part is the nucleoplasm like cytoplasm. This is the nucleolus. The purple sausage-like structure is the nuclear envelope. The space between two nuclear envelope is known as the nuclear pore, and the thread-like structures are the chromatin network, which carries genetic material. Now let us move on to what are cell organelles. From the organelles, we can see that cell organelles are the little organs. They perform the different functions of the cell, such as storing genetic material, providing energy, etc. Like the organs which are present in our body, cell organelles are the organs which are present in the cell. Let us now move on to some important differences. the difference between plant and animal cell. We will show the generalized diagram of the plant cell and the animal cell. So, plant cell has chloroplast and animal cell does not have chloroplast. Animal cell contain centrioles and plant cell does not contain centrioles. Plant cell contains a large vacuole which pushes the nucleus to a corner. Animal cell does not contain a large vacuole. Now, let us move on to the facts about cell as promised. Prokaryotes were the earliest and the most basic form of life on earth. There are more bacteria in the body than in human cells. Animal cells are generally smaller than the plant cell. Monocytes are the largest blood cells. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching.